Hundreds of people in Greensboro lined up for coronavirus tests today, but it's likely too late to get results in time for Thanksgiving dinner. WFMY News 2's Grace Holland has an update on testing in Guilford County.
People at testing locations like this still had to wait in lines, but some of the testing locations around town actually saw fewer people than they did earlier this week. Still, health officials want you to keep in mind that the peace of mind of a negative test result isn't everything. Cone Health Chief Physician Executive Dr. Bruce Swords says the safest way to avoid spreading the virus would have been to get tested 2 weeks ago, quarantine, get a second test this week, and quarantine again. That, of course, is unrealistic for many of us. The other problem is people who waited until the last couple of days to get tested may not get results back by Thanksgiving as the nationwide demand goes up.
Think about the fact that the majority of these tests are going to the same lab. Right now, we're still at 2 to 3 days with the commercial lab that we're using.
Guilford County Public Health Director Dr. Ulia Van says the turnaround time has held pretty steady at 2 to 3 days, but could increase. If you choose to travel with or without a test, Dr. Swords says you need to be careful when you come back.
They essentially need to feel like they're quarantining. So 100% wear a mask, stay way away from people.
Testing will be available at both Cone Health and the Guilford County Department of Public Health after the holiday. Swords recommends only getting tested if you have been exposed or have symptoms.